Hello, my name is Don Martin. I'm with thereasonablerealtor.com. It's a website. It's a website information if you want to sell your house, especially if you want to sell your house for sale by owner. I know that some of you are sitting right now in Lebanon, Tennessee. Lebanon, Tennessee, maybe you're Googling, you're searching on the web for some information about selling your own house. May I recommend that you go to thereasonablerealtor.com. You can pull down from the services menu at the top of the front page. Uh, Find out all that you want to know about selling your own house. In fact, if you decide to do it, you can get started right there in the middle of the night if you want to. I've been doing this for 36 plus years. I'm licensed and certified in Tennessee. We are in MLSs from Memphis to Knoxville to Chattanooga to Nashville, all over the state. I would love it if you get the opportunity. There is a red square over here that you can check on that will subscribe you to this YouTube channel. I'm trying to get this YouTube channel up and going, and that involves a lot of practice and a lot of videos. So thank you for your patience being here with me. If you like to, thumb up give this video a thumbs up down there. That would help me a lot. If you would make a comment or leave a question down in the section below, that would help me a lot. Again, I appreciate your time. Go to thereasonablerealtor.com if we can help you any at all. I have put a link down here in the comment section to make it even easier for you to get to my website.